I'm Marie from wisdompreserved.life.
And I'm Paige, Marie's daughter. We are going to be showing you how to get the seeds out of a sunflower head.
Now, I've done a couple of videos in the past. One of them showed you how to take the sunflower seeds out with a knife and a spoon, which works really well, but it gets all over the kitchen. And then I came up with a new idea, which worked fabulously well, and that was using a cement mixer. But can you guess what the problem was with that?
Not everybody has a cement mixer.
Right. So I've been experimenting, and I found a great way to do it using a clothes dryer.
And we hope all of you have a clothes dryer because it makes life just that much easier.
That's right. So the first thing you need to do is remove all of the blossoms off of your sunflower and take all of the petals and leaves off from around the edges. We've already done that. For this method, what you need is a brown paper bag and a plastic bin. Paige, you want to show it to him? Now this is one of those extra thick ones because we don't want it to break. Now, what I did for starters is I tried doing it with just the brown paper bag. I just stapled along the top and then ended up with dust from the sunflower all over my dryer. So it required a little bit of cleaning up, and I thought, well, we'll try to fold it. So I folded it over once. Still dust in my dryer. So then I folded it over 3 times. It did a fabulous job of stopping the air from coming out, but it made it like a balloon. So because it was like a balloon, it popped when it made contact with the little agitator arm things in there. So I found that I needed to do a new method. For this method, we're going to open up our brown paper bag and place the head of the sunflower inside it. I usually like to have the top facing the bottom of the bag or kind of towards the front. Then you line it up. Can you hold that for me, Paige? And just staple pretty closely all along the top edge. Pretty much you want it to be closer together than a sunflower seed so that none of the seeds can escape. So that's all prepped. Super easy, right? Now we need the plastic bag. And you put your brown paper bag inside your plastic bag. Then you want to cinch up your strings nice and tight. So you do need a drawstring one for this. And I do a tie kind of like I would on a balloon. Go around, pull the strings through the center. It's nice and tight, but I want more. So I then take those strings and tie them around the base and tie it off. I don't want this open here. Go ahead and do a nice double knot there. And now we're going to head to the dryer. Now that you have the sunflower head in the dryer, you need to turn it on. And then go to your quick dry cycle or any cycle you have that's not really that long. This one's 25 minutes long, and it allows me to change it to air dry because you really don't want any heat with this going. We just want to put a little caveat in here that we're not responsible for your dryer if anything has happened to it. So then with it on air dry, 25-minute cycle, we're going to press start.
Our sunflower seeds are all done, so let's take a look at them.
So it's good to see that the bag remained intact. That always makes me happy. Let's see how the other one did. But the hardest part is getting it untied. But I don't like risking getting anything into my dryer. Okay. And now we open it up. And you can see that there was definitely a lot of dust.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does actually, it smells really good. And a couple of sunflower seeds that fell out, not too many. And then all I do is cut the top right underneath where the staples were. And look at that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that incredible? There's a couple little ones stuck in here, so you can knock those off. But look at this. It's like, it's perfect.
It's so pretty.
So then you can just take this bag, and I use it just like a pour spout and pour it right into the jar until I'm ready to brine it and make it into a snack.
If you like this video and you found it useful, please like and subscribe.